Alright, so this is our engine right here. It's the 2.5 liter single overhead cam on the 2009 Forester PZEV model. It's already warm. We've moved it around a little, but it's worthy of note that when the engine is cold and we start it up, it doesn't make very much noise at all, but within maybe 20 or 30 seconds of operation, it warms up and it starts making a lot more noise. So we're going to go ahead and start the car now. And so, usually when we rev the engine to a higher RPM, the noise kind of smooths itself out. But if you'll notice, the knocking comes back in bursts, and it has difficulties at lower RPM. But other than that, the car can drive normally. It just sounds like a bit of a popcorn machine maker. But we're not really quite sure what causes the noise, so that's that.